Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony G. You're watching 1526 Barbecue, and today we're gonna smoke some cream cheese. Check it out. All right, I've been seeing this trend online for quite some time, probably the last 2 years or so, and I've never given it a try. I've always thought, is it really the smoking of the cream cheese that makes it taste so good, or is it all the delicious rubs we put on it? So today we're gonna test that out. I have 2 bricks of cream cheese here. We're gonna cut each brick in half, so we'll have 4 little sections of cream cheese. We're gonna try out 3 different rubs that we have, that we enjoy here in our house. And then we're gonna leave 1 unrubbed just to pick up some of that smoke flavor to see if it really makes a big difference. All right, this should be a pretty quick video. Let's go ahead and get our cream cheese open and portioned out. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut these in half for our experiment. We're just gonna spread them out a little bit. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and cut a little bit of a cross pattern on each one just so that the smoke has somewhere to penetrate. Now, I'm thinking it may have been a good idea to throw these in a freezer for a little bit before I started, but I didn't think about that till now, so maybe next time. All right, now that we've opened up some grooves so we can get some smoke penetration, let's go ahead and add some rubs. For the first batch, we're gonna use one of my go-to favorites, is sweet and smoky. And I'm gonna do my best not to cross-contaminate here, but it's okay if a little bit gets on the other side, it's all right. All right, for the next one, we're gonna try out for the first time this caramelized onion burger that I just picked up by Kinder's. And last but not least, we're gonna use this wood-fired garlic, also by Kinder's, which we just used on some barbecue smashed potatoes and we really enjoyed. So we'll try that on the last bit of cream cheese. And again, we're going to be leaving this guy unrubbed as a control to see if just the smoke flavor itself adds enough to make this worthwhile. All right, so these guys are going to go into the smoker at 225 for about 2 hours. We'll come back once they're done. All right guys, I know earlier I said I was gonna smoke at 225, but I decided to lower that down to 200 because I was worried that we were gonna melt some cream cheese. It's been about 1 hour. Let's take a look and see what we're looking like. Okay, they're looking pretty good. Nothing melted, so that's good. All right, they're gonna go another hour and we'll see how they turn out. All right, we're at our 2 hour mark and here they are, fresh off the smoker. We are going to give these guys a try. This was our control with no rub, just smoke. And then I think I kind of got some of them mixed up. That might be sweet and savory, caramelized onion. And then this one is the wood-fired garlic, I believe. But let's go ahead and give them a try. We're going to be doing so with some Ritz crackers. But of course you can put this on whatever you want. Now I read online that you could taste these, you could serve them warm or cold. Obviously mine are nice and warm right out of the smoker. All right, so we're gonna try the control first, the one that has no rub and just smoke. Okay, that picked up a lot of smoky flavor for sure. Definitely made a difference. It tastes really good. Nice and warm. I'm going in for doubles. I mean seconds. Okay. I think that tastes really good with no rub at all. So I think it's only going to get better from here, and the rubbed ones are going to be even better. So we're going to try, I think we're going to try the wood-fired garlic one next. Here we go. Very good. I like that. All right, we're gonna try the caramelized onion cheeseburger rubbed next. Bottoms up. Okay. So that was a sweet and smoky one. I really enjoyed that one. I can definitely taste a difference there. I think what I did differently was I cut like the top half of the cream cheese off and put that on a cracker. That way I had more rub to cream cheese, and it tastes delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna definitely do this again one day. I think this would be great for a party or if you have some guests over. Serve it warm, I think is really good. I'll have to try it cold. Maybe I'll try those tomorrow. I will say that the next time I do this, I want to try to find a way to put more rub into the cream cheese. I don't know if that means cutting those grooves a little wider and getting rub inside the grooves, or maybe it means like mixing rub into the cream cheese before I put it on the smoker. Either way, I am going to try to put more rub to cream cheese ratio. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.